Have you ever wondered how you can access your files from any device anywhere? Or how companies run massive online applications without needing a room full of servers? The answer lies in the cloud, a vast network of servers and storage that power the digital world. Here in this video, we will discuss what exactly is cloud computing and how can it benefit you. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. What is cloud computing? Imagine a giant pool of computing resources, servers, storage, databases, software that you can access on demand over the internet. That's the essence of cloud computing. Instead of owning and maintaining your physical infrastructure, you rent these resources from cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. This allows for scalability. You can easily increase or decrease your resources as your needs evolve. Benefits of cloud computing. There are numerous advantages to embracing the cloud. Here are some key benefits. Number 6. Cost effectiveness. Cloud computing eliminates the upfront cost of buying and maintaining hardware. You only pay for the resources you have, making it a budget-friendly option for businesses of all sizes. Number 5. Scalability. Do you need more storage for your growing business? The cloud allows you to easily scale your resources up or down to meet your fluctuating needs. Number 4. Flexibility. Access your data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection. This provides unparalleled flexibility for remote workforces and mobile users. Number 3. Security. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures to protect your data. Regular backups and disaster recovery solutions ensure your information remains safe. Number 2. Automatic updates. No more worrying about outdated software because cloud services are automatically updated, ensuring you always have access to the latest features and security patches. Number 1. Innovation. Cloud platforms offer a wide range of cutting-edge tools and services, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, that can give your business a competitive edge. Types of cloud services. Cloud computing comes in various flavors to cater to different needs. Here are the 3 main service models. Number 3. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. Rent virtual servers, storage, and networking resources. You have complete control over the operating system and applications you install. Number 2. Platform as a Service, PaaS. Build and deploy applications on a cloud platform that provides the underlying infrastructure and tools. Number 1. Software as a Service, SaaS. Access and use software applications over the internet like webmail, CRM systems, and project management tools. In conclusion, cloud computing offers a flexible, scalable, and cost-effective way to access computing resources. By understanding its benefits, service models, and key considerations, you can harness the power of the cloud to transform your business or personal workflow. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.